Hello everyone, welcome back to Creative Cubs Art. Today we are going to draw and color a beautiful princess together. So grab your paper, pencil and colors and let's start. First we'll draw some tiny wispy bangs on her forehead. Next, we'll make a soft U-shaped face. Now let's add a delicate little neck. After that, we'll draw the top of her dress. Now we'll draw puffy royal sleeves to her sides. Time to sketch her tiny hands. And now it's time to draw her dress. I drew a big flowy ball gown with a lovely skirt. And now let's add tiny ears. Further, we'll complete her head by adding the top hair. Now we'll draw long wavy princess hair flowing down on both sides. Now let's add cute little eyes and a beautiful smile. Finally, the most magical part. I added a sparkling crown with tiny jewels. And now it's time to color our cute little princess using soft and pretty colors like pink for her dress, yellow for her crown, and brown for her beautiful hair. You can use your favorite colors too. And ta-da! Our lovely princess is ready. I hope you had so much fun drawing with me today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Creative Cubs Art for more fun drawings. See you in the next video. Bye bye.